Lal, 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 lal. Lal, lal, lal. Tere, pagod tayo di. Takbo!
So this is your last warning.
Last warning. Woohoo! No aim, haha.
You do shit in PD. You do shit in PD.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Shut the fuck up, PD. Shut the fuck up, police.
Sir.
Gago. Cut the
Hey,
service.
I'm innocent, bro.
Hey, don't jail, don't jail.
Okay.
I'm innocent.
Hey, sir, don't waste your ammo.
Hi.
What
You
the
did
fuck?
nothing in PD, bro.
What's going on here?
Don't waste.
I'm having a look what's going on.
Peter Anja, Peter.
Sir, please leave the area. If you are not here for interview, please leave the area.
Hey,
This is
kinulo
the
mo
last
ko.
warning.
Alalala,
guys.
alalala, alalala, alalala.
Hey, stop.
Lala,
Sorry.
lala.
Sorry.
Lala,
Sir
lala.
Hero, please.
Sir, sorry.
Officer.
What happened?
Sorry,
Officer.
sir.
Come here, bro.
Officer. Officer.
Sorry. I will report you, boy.
Officer.
You jail me, ha?
Right.
Officer.
You jail me, ha? I don't have violation, bro. I will call Alvin.
Ouch! I'm innocent.
I'm gonna
Forgive
call
me.
Alvin. Hey, sorry, kid. I give you money. Hey, I give you money.
Officer,
Don't
fuck
jail me.
you.
I don't have
Please.
green card.
Fuck you.
Please. Forgive me, sir. Sir, I will give you my soul. Forgive me, sir.
Sir Lapuk, please lower your weapon.
Don't jail me,
This
okay?
is last warning.
Fuck you.
Sir! Ang ina mo!
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, police.
Hey.
Police, fuck you.
Bobo yung police, bobo.
Police, fuck you. Mga mahihinan nila lang.
Stop jail me, bro. Don't jail me. I will call admin.
Fuck you.
I will call admin, bro. Me! Tulungan mo nga ako.
Fuck you. Stupid.
Happy
Jail me.
Valentine.
Stupid.
I'm innocent!
Stupid.
I'm innocent!
Shut your mouth,
Come
bitch.
here.
Stupid police.
Don't jail me.
I'm innocent! Help me!
Stupid police.
Damn! Damn! 30 minutes!
Ow.
Bobo.
I record you.
I will record you, boy.
30 minutes! Lala!
Record, sir, no problem.
So Peter, can you close the door
Let's
here?
go.
Ay, don't jail me.
Fuck you.
Bobo talaga tong pulis na to.
Stupid.
Sabi sa'yo, wag mo na ako ikulong eh.
Stupid.
Sabi wag mo na ako ikulong, kulit-kulit na ito.
Aray mo. Aray mo, pakak.
Yan, good boy, PD, good boy, good boy.
Araw ko po.
Good boy, sir, good boy, good boy. That's good, boy. Let's go outside. Let me kill you. Ay, huwag kang marang. Oh, shit. Here we go again. Kanina pa kami dito, di pa ako makulong. Sawa na ako, mon. Man, sawa na ako, man.
Anong murder?
Oy, police, masama na. Masakit na kamay ko, ha.
Anong murder? Fuck you.
Oy, police! I'm gonna join event! Bobo! Hindi ako makulong eh.
Christian Villanueva.
Halika dito sa labas, huwag dyan! Gago! Sige, ayos lang.
Okay, admin, jail me.
Oh, eto ka na naman.
Why you jail me?
PD, are you crazy? Are you crazy?
Moderate,
Crazy.
take him to the other corner, yeah. I'll close the door.
Tingnan mo, general nyo, tatanga-tanga, oh.
Take him to the other door.